Hey everyone, today we are going to look at LeetCode problem number 76, minimum window substring. So in this question, we have been given a string S and a string T. So we need to find a string in S such that we'll find all the elements of T in that substring and that the length of that substring should be minimum. So if we look into this example, we can see like this is the one possible substring, then we have this substring. Okay, so in both of them, like the minimum one is this one, a b c, uh, between a b c, between this and this, it's the minimum b a and c. So we have written b a and c. And another example, if we are having these two, so we'll just return this one because like this is the only one possible, and we have returned that one. And in this example, we can see the size of S is less than size of T. So we'll, in that case, like we'll just return empty string. So let's see how we can do this one. So the first approach I can think of solving this question is through brute force. And the way I'm going to do is I will be making all the substring of this string. So once I will make all the substring of this of size this one, I mean we can start by uh, size of 3, uh, 3 or greater than 3, like substring of this with size 3 or greater than 3, and we can then compare all the substring, and if we'll find a substring which is having like all these things, like then we can just return that one out. So that is going to take a lot of time, and we need to figure out any quick solution. So what we can do, we can use two pointers, and let's see how we are going to do it. So right now we are having these two strings. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a two pointer approach. So at the starting, our left and right will be in the same. Okay, so our left and right will be in the same position. So at first we will be at A. So A is one substring. So we will compare these two, whether this substring A is equal to this one or not. So if it will be equal, so we'll just move forward. So we'll increase the right pointer. Now right will be here. Again, like we can see, it's not possible. AD, for AD it's not possible. So again we'll just increase one more and we'll move forward again. So ADO also, like from ADO we can't make this ABC again, so we'll just move forward till here. So till here we were not able to, but like when we reach C, we are able to move, we are able to make this. So when we reach C, we are able to make this substring T. So what's the next step? So now that we have found our left and right, so what's the next step? So next step is to minimize this string, minimize this thing. So the current size of the string is right minus left equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the size is 7. So we want to minimize this. So for minimizing, what we can do, we can increase our left pointer till like it like till we are not able to form this string. So what we'll do next, we will increase our left pointer. Our left will be in here, and now we can see like it's not equal. So if it's not equal, we are going to again increase our right. So at what point we'll be having this one? So I in this point, if R is here, we will be able to make a substring. So now the size of this is this minus this, which is obviously greater than 7. So we won't be increasing our like we won't be making like this is the initial string we have found. So we will stick to this result, but we have encountered another string, a substring, which is this one, and we that is not um, that is not minimum. So again we will do what? We'll increase our left pointer. So our left will be here, 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 like at this point also we are able to make. At this point also we are able to make. So when we have reached this point, uh, so our left is right now here, and then our right is here. So if we'll increase our left pointer, it won't be equal again, and this will be the size. So our previous size was 7, and now it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it's 7 again, so we won't be updating our result again. So now our left is at C, so we'll again increase it, and our C will be here. We will keep on increasing our right till we have received our result. So our right will be here at the end because we need we need C, and again we will be moving forward. Like we have received this, so it's still greater than 7. So we will be increasing our left. So our left will come here till we have received so our left will come here, B A N C, and like this is the minimum string which we can have, and we will just update it. So you can see like we just need 2 pointers, and like if we will be having like we if we have received the result, we will just move our left pointer. If we have not received our if we are not able to make this string, we will increase our right pointer. So let's try run one more example. So this will be the first string which from where we will be able to make. Then this will be the second one. I mean, like we will make till here, then we'll increase our left pointer, and this is not equal, then we'll increase our right pointer till we have received another A. So our right will be here now. Again we will what we'll do, we'll increase our left, and so left will appear till here. After that, like we'll increase one more, and then now our left will be here and right will be here. Okay, so we are not able to make this one, like with this we are not able to form ABC. We are not able to form ABC from this substring, so we'll just increase our right again till here, till here. So our right will be here, then we'll keep on decreasing this L till like we'll reach here. So at the end, like our result will be this. So let's see how we can code this thing out. So let's start. We have this string result. We will be having a result. Then we have left and right. And at the starting, I have kept this right as -1. We'll see later, like why we have done that. And this is the first base case. So you can see this example. We are having string S is equal to A and T is double A, and T is greater than this S, so we will just return the result out. Then what we are doing in this question, like we have been given uppercase and lowercase both, so we have taken an array of 58 which will cover all the uh, uppercase and lowercase values. So we will be just uh, storing all of our uppercase count and lowercase count in this T variable for this T string. So okay, we have done that. After that, like what's the step? So initially, we have our right, like we have stored t in this. We have stored the alphabets, the count of alphabets of t in this capital T very array, and we'll be storing the same for s in this capital S, and we have this found, like we'll see this later, and we have our minimum as integer max value. So let's see. First, right now our like we haven't traversed it anywhere, so our right is pointing to -1. So when we'll receive at A, you can see it So like right now our found is false only. So we'll go into this part and we'll increase our right. So in this example, like the thing we have discussed here is like was like if we have not found our result variable, if we are not able to form a substring with this one, we'll just increase our s. So right now here we are doing that one only. We are increasing our right, and this is just to check whether we are not going out of bounds, and then we are doing like we are just increasing this one. So we have we having encountered this one and we have just increased this one. So we have added a in our s. Then what we will be doing, every time we will we'll do this, we'll just check again whether we have found this or not. So I'm comparing s with t, so this is the case. So this is s and this is t. So we'll, if it's 0, then we won't consider that, but if the size of t is greater than I, then we will just return false. So in the found, like we'll have the comparison of both the string, this string and this string, and it's for this case it's obviously be false, so we'll again have false in here. So we will not go in this part where we are increasing our left pointer till we have received here. So it will go here again, it will keep on increasing our left till here, because till here like we will be able to make this one. So now again what we are doing, um till here like we have received this one. So then what we'll do, we'll just store our answer. Like we have received one answer here, so we will just store it here. You can see result equal to substring left right plus 1, and we are just checking for the minimum and we are updating our minimum again. Then after that, like after we have recorded this thing out, what we'll do, we'll just exclude this part. So we will just keep this part. So here what I'm doing, I'm just decrementing this one. I'm excluding this one out. And I've increased our left pointer, and then I'm checking this found again. Uh, if I have found this again, like if it's still possible, then we'll do again. Then we'll compare our left pointer again. And at the end, we'll just return our answer, because in the end, we'll have this result out. So I've submitted this and it was pretty efficient also. So see you in the next video.